Okay, hey folks, Terry Brown here. I want to thank you so much for taking a moment to check out this video today. Welcome. You know, if you look here for me, it says Oliabo. Okay, so we're going to talk about that very briefly, but our focus is going to be on Prima, which is our foundational product. Okay, now Oliabo is a brand new company that's stepping into the wellness world with a bold promise. And that is to close the awareness gap around one of nature's most powerful resources, the olive tree. Prima by Oliabo, which is Prima being our foundational product, is built on high-phenolic extra virgin olive oil and extracts from the fruit and leaves of the olive tree, a completely different standard. Okay, and you'll see why this is very important, all right, in just a couple of minutes. Okay, now if you are looking for a home-based business, then we are looking for you. We have a supportive, dynamic, top team of people that we work with, 2 to 3 Zoom calls per week. Okay, and so you'll receive motivation, inspiration, training to take you to the next level. And if you're looking for a working, a working sponsor dedicated, I'll be dedicated to your success as well as my own, then I'm here for you. Okay. But so at that note, let's get into looking at what Prima is all about. Okay. Stay with me for the next couple of minutes. Okay. Okay, so if you look here for me, it says Prima by Oliabo. And just look at this tin. Okay, these are the tins that the Prima comes in. These are the packets. All right. And, you know, I kind of like this idea because you can take these tins after, you know, after all the Prima's out of them, you're done with that. You can take these tins, you can give them away. And at the same time, you're advertising your business. That's just one of the way to get the word out about Prima and Oliabo. Just a thought. Okay. Now, if you look here for me, it says the life force of the olive tree, a 30-day supply of sealed nutrient packets crafted to deliver the concentrated wellness of the olive tree, paired with synergistic phytonutrients that help support daily vitality and overall balance. Each packet provides high-phenolic extra virgin olive oil with rosemary extract, olivectin, okay, olive leaf and olive fruit extracts, grape seed extract, and lycopene. That's our proprietary blend. Okay. Now, together, they offer a concentrated source of natural antioxidants that nurture circulation, skin vitality, and cellular health. All right. Now, convenient travel-ready packets preserve purity and freshness without the mess of oils. Each daily dose unites Mediterranean tradition with modern plant science to support longevity, vitality, and resilience. Okay, now look, I put some information for you. I've left some information that's available for you in the description area of this video. I'm going to leave a link to the website. And let me just say a couple of things about the website real quick. And the website that we have now is our Getting Started website. The company's working on brand new websites, marketing systems and tools that you can use to market this amazing product. And I tell you something, it's some great excitement going on right now with this opportunity. And I want you to be a part of it. And I want you to join a great team. And that's the team that I'm on. And if you join under me, of course, you'll be on that team as well. But there you have it for this video. And I want to wish you a blessed and wonderful and amazing day today. Bye-bye now. Be sure to check out that information in the description area of this video. Bye-bye.